What's up, you guys? Matt Thibeau here with Savant Marketing Agency, and in this video, I want to do a review of this painting business. And I'm not affiliated with this painting business or anything like that, but I want to do a review of them because I think that it will be really valuable for you. So this week, we're going to be reviewing this business. So let's jump right into things. Right now, we're looking at their Facebook page. They got 175 likes, 194 followers. Looks good. Right off the bat, what I'm going to say about this this business is that they are doing a really good job of personal branding. So this is the owner, and you can see here the owner is making videos, literally talking about like just all sorts of things. Here he's talking about his roots and core values. Here he's talking about a story. Here he's talking about recoding your cabinets, blah blah blah. Like, this is fantastic. It's really refreshing actually to see a contractor putting themselves out there in such a way that's like behind personal branding, right? So A plus for that. Some other things to note though is that there's not a whole lot of pictures of the actual work that they do. Like, lots of videos like this of talking and like, these kind of things, which is great. But it would be really nice to actually see pictures of the work because there's never really any pictures of it. It's always like these types of videos and stuff. And so one thing they could be doing a lot better is showcasing their work in between these videos. That would really do a lot of justice here. Another thing that I noticed is that they are linking to this link, but when I go to it, it leads to this 404 forbidden whatever thing, right? And so I'll talk about why that's such a problem, because right now they're actually running ads. So if we go in here, we can see that they're running ads. And if you're running ads and you're going to send people to your Facebook page, or that you're promoting your Facebook page, and the link here doesn't even work, right? If you click on it, it just goes to this forbidden 404 whatever. Like, you're losing a lot of money by doing that, right? So that's unfortunate. That's an unfortunate error on this guy's end. Let's talk a little bit about the ad itself. So I always talk about how if you're going to run Facebook ads, the best thing you can do is show pictures of your work, before and after pictures, or pictures of you working. So like literally him with a paintbrush or something like that. Like, this ad is just like, it doesn't really make sense for what it is that's being sold. Like, it's like painted hands. I guess it's like he's trying to go with maybe the brand of like Flying Colors or something like that. And it says paint soother sooner than later. And then we are booking for this month with a phone number. This ad would work so much better if there was a picture of his work, and then he used the Facebook ads template that we have. And if you want that template, let me know. You can comment below. I'll give it to you. But in the template, it opens up with an if-then statement. So if you're looking to get your house painted this summer, then read this ad. And then it goes into some benefits, and then it has a call to action. This ad has no copy at the top. There's no offer being given here. For a lot of painters, we recommend like an extended warranty offer, or if you're doing interior, like a free color consultation or something. Hey, even book before this date, and then you get this gift card. But there's no offer in here, and then there's no call to action in the copy. It's literally just on here, like their phone number. Like, they don't say call this number to get your free quote. It's just a phone number here. So there's quite a few issues with this ad that could be improved a lot to be able to increase their results. And again, like, pretty unfortunate about like how they're linking to this wrong link here, because if I Google them, so if I give them a Google, I can actually get to their website, but it's a different URL. It's Painters Ottawa. And when I'm looking at this site, it's a really good website. There's a lot of really good stuff going on here. Like, it looks like he put a lot of work into it. He's got a lot of videos and all sorts of stuff here. He's even doing some color consulting, right? So it's like, there's a lot of really good stuff going on here, but he's sending ads through Facebook to like a broken link, and the ad's not very good. So that's unfortunate, actually. because he's spending money and it's not really being spent properly. If we go on over to his reviews on Google, he's got like 60 reviews here. He's doing really well for that too. If we look at the reviews though, he's not responding to any of them. So I think that that could be a huge way for him to be able to get some SEO benefit and also just show his clients that he cares, like to respond back to them. We can see maybe that he's got like, let's see here, he's got a couple low ones. So like this one was a week ago. Like you got to respond to this kind of stuff, right? This is going to hurt you if you don't respond to that. He doesn't respond to any of them. So I think like overall from what I'm seeing, I think that he's doing a very, very good job of personal branding, but he needs a marketer or someone to get in there to help him out with some of these smaller details that are being missed, because he's doing like the high level stuff with the personal branding, but just like the thing like linking to the wrong site here, optimizing his Facebook ads, just responding to some of those reviews, posting some pictures of his work, like dialing things in a little bit better is going to really help bring him to the next level. Because it's unfortunate because he's very, very close. But just there are certain changes that need to be made that are going to elevate his marketing to the next level. Things like having an offer, things like what I was talking about, the pictures, and just like some of the details with his ads. So that's my take on this business. Let me know if you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.